what's up? I'm at the Hoover Dam in Nevada/Arizona, basically. Arizona's a little... Anyway, it took about 500 bags of cement to make this entire thing, and they mixed it with acrylic. It's nice and tight and strong. And if you go on the top and you pay $5, they let you slide down all the way from the top of the dam to the bottom because it's at an angle. So we may do that later on today, depending on how we feel.
You know, like the city of Los Angeles, the Southern District of California, Pasadena, Glendale, like they all get power from the dam. They were allotted power. So it's not... They have the light control.
A lot of the rocks that they removed from here actually ended up in driveways across the nation. They made them into little teeny weeny rocks and they made driveways out of them. So you're not going to find big boulders here anymore. And surprisingly, the guide was telling us that a lot of people think dynamite blew this up. No, actually it was illegal fireworks from Chinatown. Little ones, but a lot of them. And they lit them up and they blew this whole place into pieces. Then they shipped all the rocks nationwide and made a few bucks off of that too. And now they're making a few bucks off of the electricity they produce. So it was very profitable over the years. But I'm noticing the water's way low, and I'm going to urge everybody out there, when you come here, bring a cup of water and dump it in. If we all do our share and dump a cup of water in here, we should bring the levels back up to the way they used to be years ago. Thank you.